Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Engel Völkers property tour. And today have I got a treat for you. We're at Jade Beach, 3 minutes walk to the beach. Let's go and have a look. It's my favorite time. We're going to talk about the area, and where better to talk about the area is right down on the beach, which is less than 3 minutes walk from this beautiful urbanization. Let's go. What another beautiful day in Marbella. And here we are, only 3 minutes away from the Jade Beach Penthouse. So we're down in San Pedro Beach. San Pedro Pueblo is about 10 minutes walk from here. And right behind us here, just over there, is actually the promenade that stretches all the way to the very, very end of Marbella and almost to Estepona. And I say almost because they're about to connect the whole lot. So one morning you can get up and you can travel all the way across and all the way across. Phenomenal area, international schools, international restaurants, you've got it all, and authenticity. Tapas bars at your fingertips. Guys, welcome to San Pedro. Thank you for joining us again on another Engel Völkers property tour. And for more information about this stunning penthouse, click on the link below, and we'll see you soon here in Marbella.